So hey guys, this is going to be a quick hair review from the GlamRUs Tresses, and I am super excited because I have not had curly hair in a really long time. Ugh, and it's overdue, and I am loving this hair. So straight out the back, I got two 20s, an 18 and an 18-inch closure. This hair was sent to me to review for you guys, and of course I'm going to keep it completely honest with you guys. I showed you guys that this hair does shed. The hair in this natural texture after it's been washed is the poofy style that you guys see on the screen right now. So it does give you that volume with just the 3 bundles and the closure. Now if you're looking for a more sleek, just like a wet look, then I'm going to be adding some mousse to it, as you guys can see here, and it just glides right on through, and it also just helps detangle the hair even though it doesn't have a lot of tangles. Again, you guys will see some shedding, and I think that's just from me cutting my lace off, but I really wanted like that wet look, and this hair does not disappoint. I literally had minimal shedding. That was the only hair that came out since I've had this wig, and I've had this wig for about 2 weeks that I've made myself, and it hasn't shed. So that was the only hair that came out. So I'm thinking it's when I cut my lace off, but it could just be hair left over from when I cut my wefts that I just didn't finger comb. But as you guys can see, this hair detangles beautifully with some water or some mousse like you guys saw me do. That was literally just mousse on this hair, and it is gorgeous. And you still get the volume even with the wet look. It still looks like very full, and you get really a decent amount of hair with these bundles. When I first got the hair, of course I did notice that this hair was definitely not AliExpress, just from the texture of it and the way just the texture of it and how it felt. It didn't feel like Barbie hair. It actually felt like hair. So that's a big plus. I'm not sure who their supplier is, but thumbs up. This is their Brazilian Curly. And again, I have not had curly hair in so long. It's been so hard to find curly hair and not deep wavy hair. So I'm going to move up closer so you guys can see the texture. It is so freaking pretty. It's so gorgeous and super full. So I really have no big cons except for the hair that came out of it. So that's like a con, but again, that could have just been me cutting my wefts or cutting the lace, and it detangled perfectly with just that mousse. So I have no cons. This hair is a bit fuller than what I would normally do for a curly unit, and that's only because of how this is layered. So if I would have did like a 20, 22, 24 with an 18-inch closure, of course it would have gave me like a more sleek natural look. But because this hair is so like choppy a little bit because of the specific lengths that I got, it did give me like that full effect, which is very pretty for fall. For some reason I'm like really into curly hair for fall, not for summer. It's so weird. I really like straight hair for the summer, and for fall just curly, big, and this is definitely giving me what I needed. So yes, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that little mini get ready with me video, and then all about this hair, because I'm feeling myself. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Links will be down below if you're interested in this hair, and it is gorgeous, or any other products of theirs, it'll be down below. So I'll see you guys in my next video.